So we are here at Clarkton Hotel and this is my hotel room. So ganda, diba? Diba? So, yun. Tapos na akong mag-swimming and bumili ako ng mga pagkain sa 7-Eleven. Ngayon, magkakain. Let's have coffee at Clarkton Hotel. Yes! Ang ganda, no? Bongation. Maglalasing tayo na.
Sila eh. Mukhang hindi yata darating.
Di ba magbabarkadang mga yon?
That's it, everyone. This is my dinner for tonight. It's time para matulog na tayo, guys. At ngayon, ito lang. Ayan yung hotel room. Hello, everyone. Good morning. This is my second day and this is my checkout day. Hello, everyone.